Next one's gonna be another Sir Spooks, going back to the classic 7 creepy videos that made me double check my locks at night. We'll see if it passes the double check my locks at night test. I'm gonna skip a little bit on the intro just because we know who the video's by, right? It's gonna remain there the whole video. I'm still a little sassy.
Sir Spooks, and today we'll take a look at 7 scary videos. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more scary content. Alright.
Yeah, dude, if you're fine with like 2 out of 13 videos being pretty good, I'd say go for it.
With that said, let's begin.
Number 7. Bro, we only have 7 this time, okay? I'm hoping for 1 right now.
The first video we'll be taking a look at today comes from the TikTok account VCD, who can be seen filming from inside his car before pulling up to a house.
VCD.
And it's here that he immediately senses
It's a pretty big account, 32K. Suspicious.
something is very wrong. Right away, the uploader gets understandably freaked out when he discovers that the stove has somehow been turned on.
Nah.
Afterward, he takes a moment to breathe and
Bro, those things have a child safety thing where you gotta like push it down and twist like the pill bottles. You know what I mean? A ghost's not figuring that out. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
collect himself. But he doesn't get much time to do that, because then this happens.
Why is that on? Why was that damn door? That door was not shut.
Out of nowhere,
Why is he bust in recording? What scenario could happen where you bust into your house recording?
a door closes by itself, much to the uploader's shock. Clearly rattled, he frustratedly calls out, "Who are you? What do you want?" Probably not expecting an answer, but that's exactly what he gets.
Who are you? What do you want? I'm out.
It's just his friend whispering. I mean, come on, that one was 100% set up. I don't even want to hear his explanation on it. Do you think they captured a demon that is in the middle of the night, like stoves and turning an arson? The arson stove demon? Are you familiar? I'm moving on.
11, a YouTube channel by the name of Schwab304
One vid, one sub. One vid is never good.
a video that shows a young man named Will and documents the strange, creepy events happening inside his dorm room at West Virginia University.
The Will Schwab? The Will Schwab is Schwab 304. I'm just kidding. I don't know who the Will Schwab is.
In the video, Will explains that unexplainable things happen in his dorm room every single night at exactly 1 o'clock in the morning. He describes hearing weird noises, but says he's never been able to figure out exactly what they are or where they're coming from. Will then sits quietly listening for any signs of activity while his friend films him. After a little while, Will stands up to walk around the dorm, saying that he heard something, and that's when this happens.
And why are they recording?
What is that?
Oh, God, that was a noise.
Let me look over here. I don't hear it anymore. I think it stopped. Oh my god!
Out of nowhere, a whole bunch of Will's belongings are thrown across the room, almost like whatever spirit
Where'd he
might be
go?
lingering
Where'd Will go?
A whole bunch of Will's belongings are
Bro, that looks like it got pulled. The bottom one got yanked.
Out of nowhere, a whole bunch of Will's belongings.
Yeah, look at that. They pulled the bottom can of tuna. So I don't know where Will is. I can't see him because he walked off screen. And the guy, the camera is just like, I can't operate that for his life. So I can't see anything, right? And then he obviously just yanked the string on his foot, whatever, the same way they did in the other two videos. I'm skipping in this one, and I'm going to just see how you guys respond, because I like skipping the ones that are BS and dumb, and some people get mad at me for that.
Over on TikTok, a user named Danny C posted a series of videos to his account showing some seriously eerie activity happening inside his young child's bedroom, seemingly in the middle of the night. The footage, shot on a home security camera, shows Danny walking into his child's room. He sighs as he notices toys scattered across the floor and starts picking them up. But he doesn't get far, because then this happens.
Cardo! This just opened by itself. While I was in there. Did you move Mickey Mouse? Close it, please. Nobody's in there, right?
A door inside the child's bedroom swings open on its own for no apparent reason, prompting Danny to immediately call for someone else living in the house to come help.
Oh, and then you just close it and you're like, we're good. I mean, if you really thought that was some sort of ghost, I feel like we're not good. Like, that's not enough. What? Oh, can you close it? Yeah, we're good. Is anyone in there? Ah, shit, I wouldn't worry about it.
The two men then search the room, but they don't find anything that could explain
Bro, they didn't search shit. What was, just close the door.
just happened. In a second video, the other man is wandering around the child's bedroom. The two of them get into a light argument about something, but it's right in the middle of their conversation that something even stranger happens.
Yeah, bro, I'm not liking this parenting visually off that.
Don't yell like that. Look at me. First of all, don't raise your voice like that. It's inappropriate. And see, now the ghost is very upset. Don't do that.
Okay, I saved it a little bit with that.
Out of nowhere, one of the child's toys visibly moves by itself. Amazing. Out of nowhere, one of the child's toys visibly moves by itself. Amazingly, both the man and the child.
Nah, that one wasn't crazy though. Like sometimes it gets knocked off. That kind of just fell.
Either way, if the activity keeps up, Danny might want to start thinking about finding a new place to live, just to be safe.
I don't know, especially with a little door like that. I feel like if it popped open, I'd be like, oh, the door popped open. Let me close it. That's it.
The next video we'll be taking a look at comes from the popular Paranormal Encounters subreddit and was posted by a user known as jturley85. The uploader provides some helpful context surrounding the footage, which was reportedly filmed in Beaver, Utah. Here's what they wrote. Quote, "My wife's coworker."
It's always Utah, bro. It's always Utah. They apparently took a pack of dogs out with them while in the mountains. Two ran off. Chased them, both found them both ripped apart. Jesus. They found this and it recorded it through their scope. I tried to upscale the video for clarity. Don't say that. But this is the best I could get. Anyone know what this could be? The arms look like they have hair coming off of it, and they look extremely long and skinny. At first, I thought it could be another hunter, but after a fuse, I can't be sure. Is this dude drunk?
I tried to upscale the video for clarity, but this was the best I could get.
Yeah, show me the video. That looks horrible, bruh. don't know what the that is. It looks like could be like a beached octopus. Like, I don't know. There's no way to tell. This is horrible. Even though he upscaled the blah blah blah. F off, man. Ugh. Alright, no, I'm skipping that one too. And this is his like ad thing.
A person named Irakli Rodonaya posted a video to their YouTube account all the way back in December of 2009, showing what appears to be a casual moment of filming outside their car somewhere in Moscow. For the first minute or so, nothing really seems out of the ordinary. It just looks like someone filming random scenes around the city. It's slow, uneventful, and honestly a little boring at first. But that all changes pretty quickly, as I'm sure you could have guessed. Take a look.
Bro, this is gonna be some beam of light for 3 seconds. I'm gonna lose it, man.
Поехали, едем тут быстро. Сейчас я отшелимся отсюда. Оттуда будет видно с той стороны? Высоко висело вроде.
Is it this? Is it what this is? I don't know what I'm looking at.
Сегодня было про будет разгоняться тучи, может.
I think it's whatever this is.
Смотри, есть там что-то держится.
Ну или правда что-то как-то
Oh.
может. Завтра не скажешь, что это такое.
Это явно связано
Или
с
сегодня скажут уже.
разводом туч.
Hovering in the sky in the middle of the night is what appears to be a massive pyramid-shaped UFO. The object just sits there, eerily silent.
Bro, it kind of like rotates and changes shape and shit. That's actually fucking cool. That was the coolest one. I hate these videos, and that was actually kind of cool.
More unique UFO shapes ever caught on camera. Some viewers have speculated that this could be a digital hoax, drone from
Yeah, I mean, that definitely could just be added. Like, the searchlights aren't even landing on it, and then, like...
information or even a government experiment. But others argue that the size, structure, and behavior of the object are simply too strange to explain away.
Yeah, no, it's just some weird video. It seems like it's edited, though, to me. Like, you couldn't even get out the window, bro, and just show me, like, the straight-up sky. Like, this is so hard to see. I hate the hard to see ones is not a pass. Like, you don't get a pass because it's low quality. That's what they do on purpose. Bro, this is what I was worried about having 7, okay? You need a minimum of, from what I've seen, you need a minimum of 13 to even, like, hit, bro. Because there's always 1 when it's 13. Sometimes there's 2, and I get lucky.
A Williamsburg resident named Abby Sobota posted a video to her TikTok account
Oh, that's too big of an account, bro.
that shows her exploring an old, allegedly haunted basement. And let's just say
I'm not saying people with a lot of followers or whatever, big accounts, aren't gonna get haunted by ghosts. It's just less likely that the ghost video that they're posting is real to any degree.
it turns out to be a decision she may have regretted. We watch as Abby wanders through the dim, run-down basement, filming her surroundings. She notes that the area looks like it might have once been a prison, since
better be
many
good,
of the
man.
doors down there resemble jail cells, complete with heavy bars and narrow openings. As she's commenting on these cell-like doors and walking deeper into the basement, something truly unsettling happens that shakes her to the core.
That is a creepy ass cellar,
There
though.
is what looks like prison cells down here. Look at these. Tell me that's not absolutely horrifying. What the hell? Did you see that shadow?
It looked like a light or something.
Oh my god. Hello?
A strange sound
Let me see the
suddenly
shadow.
echoes through the space, followed closely by the appearance of a mysterious shadow.
No, yeah, I saw that. It looked like the light like flickered. I mean, that could have just been the light though, no?
Suddenly
Or...
echoes through the space, followed closely by the appearance of a mysterious shadow.
No, yeah, that looked like something passed by. Okay, that wasn't like blatantly fake. It could still be staged.
Very tied to a dark past, a strange trick of light, or maybe just the mind playing tricks in an ear.
Dude, honestly, I think nobody would be about this video if you weren't gonna add in ghost caught. I think no one would give a shit about the cellar that you're in and it being looking like a prison. I think it's interesting. I think a lot of people wouldn't give a shit though.
Setting. If that basement really was part of a former prison, then perhaps a lingering presence from the past was making itself known.
Yeah. All right. This is the only one. If there is one.
Reddit user Wrestling is Real posted a video to the paranormal.
Ugh, don't take them off Reddit, bro. It's the worst. Heard a bunch of banging out back and decided to look. No sign of anyone. And if it was the wind, then why does it stop after another noise inside is heard?
Counter subreddit that's been gaining a lot of traction lately, and after watching it, it's easy to see why. According to the uploader, he was simply out for a walk in Scotland when he passed by an old abandoned building. He says he started hearing strange banging noises coming from around the property, and naturally, curiosity got the best of him.
Bro, people live in abandoned buildings. Is that shocking to people? People live in those places. All the rundown shit, people make little forts and live in there. That's what they do because they have nowhere else to live. How is that a shocking thing? Like if you hear noises, oh, it's abandoned, there shouldn't be any noises, it must be a ghost. You're a dumb bro.
So he decided to investigate. Here's what he captured.
Oh. Yeah, no, that's somebody that lives, that's trying to live there, make a place there, whatever, steal shit, I don't know, that's a person. Oh, that could be the wind, though. This is a flimsy-ass, like, sheet. That's not even wood.
It is a ghost.
Just a wind.
Wait. Must be a ghost.
It's the wind. It must be a ghost. Why the f must it be a ghost? How could it not be the wind? You didn't even say there's no wind. That's what somebody would say if you were to dispute the wind thing. You'd be like, oh, there's no wind, though. What are you talking about? No, you're just like, oh, it must be a ghost. How? How did you get there? What circuit? What brain pattern? What happened?
No, it's a ghost. There's nothing else there.
Something.
Dude, and those things, like abandoned homes like that, they're drafty. Like there's fucking openings and shit so air gets caught in and then blows like faster because it's in a small space. You know what I mean? Like that's normal shit. People should know that. It's like when you close a door that has a big opening, you can feel the breeze underneath the door and it's really pushing. Same shit. Like, come on, man. You learn that when you're like 5. Like, what are we doing?
What do you think? Just an old board and some wind, or something more?
Bro, most boring one. And then oh, there's credits? Since when is there credits? 7 duds. I'm disappointed. I'm not gonna dislike it because that just feels mean. That's what I'll say. It was a good effort. I'll dislike things when I don't like them, but that was a good effort. It was just not good. These ones are just so long though. That's why like there's like 20 minutes and then my video is like 30 and that's cool. But these ones like 45, bro. Like it would be over an hour to record one video. Like what? I don't think anyone would watch that. Or maybe that's better. I don't know. I have no idea. I could do one though. Maybe I'll do this one. All right. Anyway, next video.